is Doris. I'm one of the owners of Shasta Coin Laundry at 253 East Baseline Road in Rialto. And today I wanted to tell you about loading our front load machines. These machines can take a lot. They're very durable, but to get the best wash, we recommend you do not load it higher than 3/4 of the window. That way, if you go any higher, what you're doing is you're pushing your clothes together, you're making a big knot of clothes, and the clothes are not able to move and tumble and let all the soap and water work its way through your clothing. So remember, don't load it higher than 3/4 of the glass on the door, and you'll get a much better wash out of your clothing.